Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's class. A brief of practical examinations class 12th consists of 3 hours, 30 marks, one method experiment DNA isolation for 5 marks, minor experiment population density or frequency 4 marks, slide preparation, pollen tube termination or onion root tip presentation 5 marks, spotters 1 to 14 you will be getting 7 items out of the 17 spotting item we have done. Records and viva 4 marks, project and viva 5 marks, total 30 marks. So the spotters, all the 17 spotters with the slides and their features you have studied in the reflections. Go through it and prepare for the exam. All the best.